So then when you shot back with, and you hit it with that, that's like, Uno, you had to draw folks. She looking like, huh? Like,
yeah, but that's kind of like what I was talking about earlier. When you go into that system, you don't know. You're already kind of scared. Like, damn, I might lose my kid, lose my kid, whatever the case may be. Yeah. And you got a mediator in there acting like they the judge.
Man, exactly.
So you like, man, what am I do?
And Tiger said, who is you?
Yeah, man, and you know what I mean? And it was,
I'm pretty sure it wasn't that kind.
Coming from the streets, you know what I mean? When we go in that courtroom, man, we before the judge. Right. You know what I mean? It's like our fate lies in the hands of him, our freedom or whatever, you know what I mean?
Right.
Him, her, whoever it may be.
Exactly.
That case, so we more or less be so humble.
Right.
You know what I mean? So when they start talking jail or anything else, now you got to think about your priorities, you know what I mean? What you know what I mean? How the family gonna make it, you know what I mean? While you away. Yeah, while you away. You know what I mean? Right. So when I was younger, I would kind of humble myself and kind of take or accept
what they giving,
what was given, to stay free.
Right.
They used to skate with the 5 months, 29 days. You know what I mean? Your license suspended. Okay, well I just ain't have no license. You know what I mean? We was gonna drive with no license.
Yeah, because I don't need no license to start the car.
Drive, yeah.
Right.
All I need is keys.
You know what I mean? Right. So it became once I got to a certain point, and I'm saying like, why I'm spending all my money on these lawyers?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Right.
I'm saying what my lawyer should be saying. And I had a lawyer.
Okay.
And fired him.
Okay.
Ooh, hey, that was his choice.
I fired the attorney because...
But you do have that right.
You got that
right.
I
do have that right.
Absolutely.
Because see, now that I'm reading the literature for myself, you know what I mean? That Dawson's given to me, provided for me. Okay. You know what I mean? It's now, you know, you sit in there and you say, well, I'm telling the lawyer, like tapping him. Statue, da-da-da-da-da. You know what I mean? Like, you ain't addressing it. You know what I mean?
Okay.
But now
so he ain't even telling the statue that Dawes done sent you.
He ain't even telling. So now it's like, I got to, you know, Your Honor.
What I
do,
I object. So I object.
You know what I mean? Right, because it almost made me feel like...
That word is important, by the way.
Like, who team you on?
Right.
You know what I mean? And I know that I can be aggressive.